To take a screenshot, you need to make sure this is open and that I can see the name of the program, and I also need to see the check mark. So you may have to zoom, in or out just a little bit, depending. Okay, so I need to see that, and I need to see that you solved it. Those are the two important things, the name of the program and that it was solved. And then I can give you credit for that. So what you're going to want to do is launch the snipping tool. Now I have mine down here on my toolbar, but if you don't have it there, and if you're using a Windows machine, here is the snipping tool. You can search for it. This is what it looks like. And you can just click on New. Kind of dims over your screen, and then you just simply drag over the part that you want to save. And then you'll click on Save. It's going to create a ping file. And I don't know where you guys are going to want to put it. Just put it somewhere that you can find it. You might want to create a little folder, calling it CIT 110. Wherever it went, probably, let me do that again. Very carefully. All right, I'll throw it in here. And then I would probably give it a little better name than screenshots. I would just call it whatever the exercise name is. This is not one that you guys need to complete. I'm just using it for an example. Okay, and then you'll move on to the next exercise. So for each exercise that you need to turn in, make sure that you have it open. I can see the title and I can see that it was solved. Okay, and then you will go back into the class and go into the Dropbox. And you're going to add a submission. Okay, and so I'm going to have to pause here and get into student mode so I can show you how that'll work. So as a student, when you come into the Dropbox, it looks something like this. And then you can add a submission. And you're going to be able to come in here multiple times because you're going to have more than one screenshot to upload. And what I normally do is I just drag and drop them because I think that is easiest. So I kind of resize this so I can see that little area. And then I have this open that I resize. You guys can kind of do it however you think is easiest. And I'm going to go over to where I put that screenshot. And then all I have to do is drag it over here. Once it's got that blue outline, I can release it. And now it's uploaded. And then I would save it. And then the next time I want to add, I would edit the submission. Okay, and we'll pretend this is a new one. And I can simply drag that over. Okay, it was smart enough to know that it's the same one, but anyway, we'll pretend it's a different name. So you can do that for each one of yours and save the changes.